Welcome to our channel where we share powerful tips about food, health, and lifestyle in a simple way. If you love learning small but life-changing habits, then you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends so they can also stay healthy and informed. Why eating early at night is good for your health. Eating early at night is one of the simplest yet most effective habits you can adopt for better health and well-being. Our body follows a natural rhythm known as the circadian rhythm, which means that digestion and metabolism work best during the day and slow down at night. When we eat late, the food does not get digested properly because our body is preparing to rest, not to process heavy meals. This often leads to problems like indigestion, bloating, acidity, and disturbed sleep. On the other hand, eating your dinner at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime gives your stomach enough time to break down the food properly, making it easier on your digestive system. Another major benefit of eating early is better weight management. Late night eating is linked with higher chances of obesity because unused calories are stored as fat while you sleep. Eating early ensures that your body has the energy from food available during the evening hours when you are still active, reducing fat storage. It also helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is extremely important for people trying to prevent diabetes or maintain heart health. Moreover, having an early and light dinner improves the quality of your sleep. A heavy, late dinner makes you feel restless and can even cause acid reflux when lying down. But when you finish eating early, your body is more relaxed and your sleep cycle becomes deeper and more refreshing. Over time, this simple habit improves metabolism, energy levels, and even mental clarity. In short, an early dinner is like a gift to your body. It supports digestion, maintains a healthy weight, promotes good sleep, and protects long-term health. Start eating earlier and feel the difference within weeks.